Gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Goddess Street of Me. Thank you so much for tuning in, my memes, and welcome back to the vibes where everything and all things are goddess like. I'm here with another video today. I've been trying to tussle, okay, because I know I took a break doing my videos for my synthetic units, and I just want to let y'all know that okay, I'm back doing them now. Okay, y'all ain't gotta fight me. I don't want to fight y'all. I ain't got time for that. This is no other than a sensational unit, but I just wanted to come here and say that my next video I will be going into very great detail on how I select my synthetic wigs, why do I pick certain ones, to kind of just give me a nice base for melting and slaying and just giving scalp baby. Okay, so that will be the next video, and that's coming soon. I'm gonna get into this video, but real quick, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the post notifications bell so that you are updated anytime I upload new content. So without further ado, let's just get right into the installation for this wig. And
me hanging, same reason that I tried to make you famous, same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club. Oh, yo, shit, let's go. Have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we're in Houston. We're definitely going down.
Five and niggas won't take it, ayy. I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take it.
And real quick, I just wanted to say that every installation is not going to be super perfecto or perfection. Sometimes my ear tabs lay, sometimes they don't. Just always go back in and then blend and work your way to the tippy top or finish in your own pace. Do not feel like you got to rush, because baby, I am that girl that gets glue everywhere, as you can see. So do not be afraid to wipe it off with a baby wipe and just clean up some areas that may be a little crusty. And yeah, because in the end, it's all about blending and laying this as much as you can to give a realistic look. If it's not perfect, do not worry. Just keep at it until you get the look that you're going for.
What actions to have it go front of your face? What? Go to the drink. What else are they gonna play? Side and niggas won't take it, ayy. I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Way I ain't having this way. And like the third me go out, take what?
Go to the drink. Making them fuck niggas pay. Straight at the trap to the play. We gone. Who say they ain't having their way? Who might have a little more on their plate? We having our way in 3 ways. OVO scope on the tray. We having our way. Having that shit. Fuck how you take it, we straight from the pagan. I caught me some cases and beat it and break it. Seen they was taking no communication, no invitation, cut off circulation. Blue or the rebel, got it, this the matrix. Crosses all on my body, watch for Satan. I'm having gallery lavish, no talking, we smashing. Smith won the classic, ain't none of this average. Sniper, I'm sniping the bitch, I'm assassin. I piped it, then pipe the bitch up for some action. Don't even be bragging, these little nigga mad.
This is how she's looking, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Oh my God. It's just giving every bit of Beyonce freakum dress, okay? Period. So this is the Sensational Butter Lace Unit Deep Wave 20, and I'm in love. I'm in love. First of all, let's get into the pros. She's baby soft. She feels nice. You could definitely tell that this is a human hair and synthetic blend, because I find that the full synthetic wigs would not feel like this. They'll be soft, don't get me wrong, but this has a very like human hair dupe feel to it, and I love it. You would think that this would feel like a Halloween wig considering the fact that it's so wavy, but it does not, and I am extremely impressed. I love Sensational's lace. I never have a hard time blending it into my skin. I've never had an issue where it was like white or left a huge cast. It hits every single time with me personally, and I'm just, oh. So this unit is ear to ear as far as the hairline. However, you do not get a lot of parting space in the middle, which is fine. I mean, I could deal with it because that would have been low-key a mess with this texture, in my opinion. But you do get a deep part. You get some deep parting here in the middle. I believe it's 5 inches back. I opted to do the side part because I don't know, I didn't think the middle part would have been flattering on me. In my personal opinion, I was just like, I wasn't really feeling it. May try it later. I did end up using the baby hairs. It came with some baby hairs. They say it's natural, full, maximum density. They did not lie. You are not gonna see any tracks with this unit, and if you did see any tracks, or if you do see any tracks with this unit, then baby, they gave you send it back and get a new one because this is so full. So let me put this down really quick so I can show y'all. But this is the bag. I believe it's 20 inches long, and it comes to my mid lower back. Beautiful unit, and this is the body that it gives baby girl. I feel like the black Lois Lane, like, so yeah, you guys let me know what you think in the comments section. I really don't have any really bad things to say about this unit. It didn't give me any problem, honestly. So I really can't even tell you if the shedding's bad, because I plucked her, so I really don't even know. But I'm running my fingers through it, and I'm only losing like 1 to 2 strands. This is a nice wig to go out, a cocktail hour wig, and good for vacation too if you want to be a little more jazzier on vacation. You don't always have to do the curly look, you know what I'm saying? You could do a nice classic wave. This is classic. They hit it on the head, they nailed it. I feel like it's so hard to get a deep wave of this. I actually meant to get another color, but this is the balayage mocha. It goes 2 a.m. child. I selected this wig and I was sleepy, I was tired. Yeah, so I wanted to get the balayage gold, I believe, which was the black with the gold money pieces in the front. However, this unit still is beautiful. You guys see me do similar colors to this on my channel. That's why I did want a different color, but it is what it is. So now the only con I have is actually one thing, and it would be the fact that it gets so stringy sometimes, and I would like for the wave to stay within the pattern or texture, and I'll be having to find myself brushing it a little bit. But the good thing about it is when I do brush it, it does fall right back in place, and it doesn't get bigger or frizzy, which was I was scared of that. So surprisingly, it falls right back into place. Just don't brush it too much, and then after I just kind of do this motion, and then just make sure I pat it and just make sure everything is in place. So definitely play with this wig with your fingers more than brushing it and raking a comb through it, because you do not want to destroy the beautiful curls in this unit, or waves in this unit. Is it big head friendly? I'd say yes. However, baby, hold on to your pearls. This mother is tight, okay? And when I tell you, please, don't keep factory reset, keep it as it is, baby. Do not, I did not even touch this wig. If I would have made it tighter, I think I would have had a damn migraine. Ultimately, thank you guys for watching. I love you. Hope everyone's in great spirits. I'm sending high vibrations your way, and peace. I'll see you guys soon.